Hi guys! In this video, I'll talk about the MVC design pattern and how to apply it to the NodeJS project. Let's begin. The first question is, what is MVC? MVC stands for Model View Controller. It is the most popular design pattern for web applications. Okay, I know that. So why is it in the first place? Well, actually MVC separates, defines what to do for each layer of applications. For example, the view is to display data to client. We are never processing logic data at the view. This part is the responsibility of the controller. The controller also needs to connect to the model to get all the data it needs. By using MVC, we write less code, but we get more. We save not only the cost of building a web app, but also the time of maintaining the website. Okay, I understand that, but how do we apply MVC to the NodeJS project? Good question. In our project, the model is our JS files in services and model folder. The view is our AJAX files, and the controller is our JS files in controller folder. To make it easier to understand, take a look at these illustrations. It's a beautiful day. A customer visits your website. The web server needs to respond to your customer action. The server knows what to do to display information to the customer, and this is what happens behind the scenes. First, a security guard, a guy with the name Rouse, receives a call from the web server, telling that a customer wants information about this website. The Rouse guy will forward this request to his bot controller. The first thing his bot does is check the authentication of this request. Then, the bot's controller gathers his employee, choosing which one is the best for this requirement. The employee is known as the services. After getting all the essential things from their boss controller, will try their best to find all documents which fit their boss needs. This place, the employee can find all documents on our database. After the employee finds documents for his boss controller, they send these documents to him. The boss controller has his data in his hand, start to choose which product he wants to give to his customer. He also remembers to attach the data to the product he sends. These products are the view of our project. It is the way we use MVC in NodeJS project. See you guys in the next video.